All right, how is everyone? Hopefully, a lot of you guys have gone back to work or are planning to go back to work soon. Well, we've been quite busy ourselves. We've been working on quite a few features that a lot of our current customers have been requesting, and we've been working very hard to get those features to the market. Two of the features that were already released, one is two-way texting, and the second is the website chat. This is available to all our current customers. This has been added to your accounts free of charge through July 31st, and after that, all these new features will get added into the bundle that we have on our website. So I want to introduce uh, one additional feature that's going into a beta test this week, and I want to talk about that and give you a quick demo on what that feature looks like. There's 5 offices that have already requested to be included in this beta. If there are others, we may be able to accommodate a few more, but not too many, because we want to make sure everything works, everything is stable, and then we will release it out to everybody. Again, this feature is going to be available to all our subscribers through July 31st. So what is the feature? It's bulk email and texting. Okay, to be able to take a group of patients right from practice plan numbers from within whatever you were doing and create a custom campaign and send them a text, or send them an email. Okay, so I'll quickly show you how that works. And here, let me minimize myself over here. Okay, so you're used to using Revenue IQ, and you also have patient tables that show up anywhere. So let's first take a look at Revenue IQ. Let's say you were doing a quick search, okay? Or actually, let's go back right here. Let's say you wanted to send out all of the patients who had appointments in the past 3 months, but those appointments were never completed, okay? You have a list right here where if you click right here, it's going to give you a pretty long list of all the appointments that were not completed. Okay, and this is a dummy practice, so all the data is dummy data in here. So there's none of these patient names, none of this is real. It's just a dummy practice. So that's why we are not blurring any of this data right here. So one thing you will notice is a create campaign is going to show up. And why is this so cool? Now you can basically pick all of the patients that were 793, and you can create a campaign. As soon as you create a campaign, it's going to ask you what kind of a campaign is it. Is it an email campaign or a text campaign or email and text? Let's just, for simplicity's sake, just pick email. Now you have to add a template. We're working on over 100 templates for you, so you can pick one of our templates. We are still working on releasing many. There are quite a few in here. Let's say I want to pick one of the existing templates. You can pick from right here, announcements or something else. Or let's say you want to just build one of your own. Okay. So I'm going to change this to being just logo and phone number. And here you can add merge tags, first name, and here I can insert my, let's say, a practice phone number. Okay, and you can type the rest of the message. I'm not going to do that right here. So let's say I want to add another section. You can add an image. You can use one of our built-in images. Okay, and hit save. And I'm going to save. Now the email has been saved. It's going to go to the next section. It's going to give you the list of patients that you have selected, which is right here. There's a list of all the patients. You can unselect a patient if you want and finalize and hit send. When you hit send, this is going to send all those patients that email. Okay. And I'll show you what a send campaign looks like. I'm going to abandon this campaign. So send campaign is going to show up in custom campaigns right here. It's going to give you all of the campaigns. For example, we did a test of 2,000 patients, and it's going to show me exactly how many patients were sent, and it's going to give you the name of all the patients. It's going to give you all the sent messages that were sent during this campaign. Okay, And once this loads up, it's going to also show you all of the patients that had opted out. So it's going to give you all of the patients that were sent and all the patients that were opted out at the bottom. Okay, and this is the opt-out status that's coming from your practice management system. We'll be making further feature enhancement where you can update this opt-out status soon as well. Okay. If you click on any one of these emails, it's going to give you what the email was that was sent to the patient. Okay. Now, you can do this from Revenue IQ, but you can easily enough do it. Let's say you're in Huddle. You can easily enough do it from Huddle to say, I want to create a campaign for everybody that's coming on a particular day. So just go and browse to that particular day and hit create campaign. Right here, in this case, let's say I just want to send out SMS. So in this case, I'm going to just pick text, I'm going to pick SMS, and I can type my own message. We will have templates available. Right now we don't, but as we finish this beta test, we will have lots of templates available. So here we can insert first name, for today is still to go. See you soon. Okay. Once this is done, it's going to automatically replace everybody's phone number, hit save, and same concept. Now you can hit finalize and send the campaign. Soon more changes are coming. That's going to allow you to schedule this campaign to go out in the future as well. Okay. In terms of templates, as I was telling you, we're working on a lot of templates. We have many available already, as you will see, in patient reactivation, in post-ops. So you can pick any of the templates and check them out, what they look like. Okay. And as we work more towards finishing this feature, we're going to have about 100 templates released, so you don't have to do all the work. You pick a template and you customize it to what you want and then send it out. Straightforward. Okay. So the 5 practices, their beta is starting early next week. If there's any more practices that want to try this out, just email me. And if not, we'll get this tested out and released. Everybody will have this available in their Practice Man Numbers account within the next 2 weeks through the end of July. Okay, you guys stay safe out there, and hopefully patients are coming back and you guys are going back to normal.